All right, guys. So welcome to today's Tuesday colors session. My name is Kimberly. I'm a P1000 leader here in I Am Academy, and I've been doing this for 6 months now, guys. 6 months. I've been literally been in I Am Academy. I'm a retired nurse, so I do this full time, right? Now, I've been literally since colors came out, I've been literally watching colors and seeing how it works. I was there from day one. As soon as it was out, I was there on Doc Spill's channel, right? So I'm going to be teaching you how to use the strategy and how to take trades from the colors strategy, right? If you're a guest and you're not already in, do take notes as well, because when you get in, at least it's easy for you when you're in, right? So bear with me a second. All right. So what we're going to do, let me just take this out the way. There's so much boxes when it comes on to Zoom, guys. Bear with me. All right. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go through each of the section, and do make sure I'll be using arrows as well so you don't get confused, guys. So what we're going to do is, right, I'm going to start up here. So when you see these boxes, right, if you, so this is our motto, guys: no box, no trade, right? So when you see a red box at the top right here, you're looking for a sell, right? And this is a perfect example with USD CHF. Whoops, let me just move this out the way. We have more people coming on, guys. We have more people coming on. Okay, so this is a perfect example right here, guys, right? So on the 1 minute time frame, we're scalping, right? We're scalping on the 1 minute time frame, and this is what you're looking for. When the trade comes up to the red box, right, you're waiting for, all you're doing is lining up the colors, guys. You're waiting for the candles to be in or a little bit below the red box, right? You're looking for triangles, you're looking for arrow, right, for you to take that trade. Then you're looking for red candle, or you might see a yellow transition candle with a red outline, right? Sorry, the cock in my zoom, right? All right, so you're looking for a yellow transition candle, guys. So let me see if I can see any in this trade right here. Let me zoom this out a bit. Bear with me, guys. So when you zoom it out, you see a better overview. All right, bear with me. Oh, we have 5 more people waiting. Woo! Jesus. Let's see. Let's move this out the way. Guys, this call is absolutely packed out. When I say packed, I say packed already. Absolutely packed out already. All right. So bear with me. We still have more people coming in, more people coming in. All right. We have 81 people on. All right. So let me get back to what I was saying over here, right? So here what's going to happen, guys. Yeah, the dog's belly are really, really full. Oh, yes. Let me do this. Hold on a second, guys. Hold on. One of my business partners is gonna help me out, because may I tell us, say, Jesus, too much, man. Hold on a second, guys. Let me do this. Hold on. Right. All right, boom. All right, so I've done that, guys, so I can concentrate. All right, guys. So in the chat, guys, do drop in the chat box and let me know if you can see these yellow transition candles. So you might see them on a buy going up, right? Or you might see them from the green box going up, or from the red box coming down, right? So you might see these yellow transition candle, and that's a next indication to let you know that this trade is going to be changing direction, right? So let's start with the sell first, right? So you're looking for the triangle, and you will be seeing a arrow, right? Now, Dr. Spills normally says you can enter early for those advanced traders if you wanted to, right? So I'm going to show you what advanced entry is, right? What advanced entry is. So you can enter from right here. So can you guys see what's happening right here? We have a green candle with a red outline and a red arrow. You have your red arrow, red box. You have the EMA line underneath, which also changed to red at that time, right? You come down here, you have your red bars, right? This EMA is not green yet, right? And you still have your green volume bar right here. Would it be possible to make it bigger? Hold on, let me see if I can zoom out a little bit more. Hold on. Can you guys see? Let me know if you guys can see Mandy. All right, so here you can see the red transition line right here, transition candle, right? Red outline, I should say, red outline, and you have your red triangle. You would have seen a next arrow similar to this, but do remember that this trade was before, so you wouldn't still see this line right here, this levels arrow right here, right? So if you want to take the trade early, you can, but you still want everything to line up, right? Now, as you can see, USD CHF was literally moving sideways for a while, but look what happened, guys. Can you see what happened over here? Hold on, let me zoom back out a little bit so I can move this. So right here, the EMA line, right, changed from green to red. Now you might not see it right now because it's literally in the box, but it literally changed from green to red. In the red box, we still have another triangle. We have the transition candles right here, right? We have red bars, we have red EMA down here, and we have red volume bars. So once everything line up, guys, what are we looking for? What are we looking for once everything is lined up, right? We have a red box. We're in the red box. We're looking for a sell, right? There you go. So Simone, everybody was right, right? There you go. So we're looking for a sell, guys, right? And you will be taking this market all the way down to the green box. So you're not buying yet until it's the green box, right? Now your TP would be above the red box, sorry. That would be not your TP, your stop loss. Your stop loss would have been above the red box. Now your TP, right? Let me just broaden this out for you. So when you're in trades, guys, some lines do appear automatically, right? So you wouldn't see them right now because these trades are already gone. They're in the past. But when you're in the trades, they do automatically come up, and we might be on and see if we get any tonight because we saw some last night, right? So they do come up automatically with your TP1, your TP2, and TP3, right? So if for example myself, if I'm in a sell, what I would normally do if the first pair is stronger, if the second pair is stronger, oops, can you guys see that? That's what I'm going to talk about next. The box is disappearing. So what will happen is that what I would normally do is trade from my red box and come all the way down to my green box and use that as my TP, right? But I will show you how it works if we have any. So something broke a structure why that green box disappeared just now, right? So that's the next thing, guys. You might be in a trade, right? Especially for a sell, and the green box disappears, which means it's broken that structure or it's retest that structure for a number of time. That's why it end up disappearing like what it just did. Now I'm going to show you USD chef is still selling, guys. Wow, look at this. It's still selling, but let's see if we can find any buy. Look at this. Sheesh. That is a massive sell right there. All right. Now, if the green box was still here, right? If the green box was still here and you're looking for a buy, right? This is what you're looking for. You're looking for a green triangle. You're looking for a green EMA. And as you can see right here, some transition candle came right here with green outer line, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, and your box would have been 4, right? Then you're looking for green bars right here. Now, can you guys see this? Let me just show you something right here. Let me show you guys something. Can you see where the buyers came into the market? Look at this, guys. The buyers came in early, right? Can you see this? But you still wouldn't, if you're an advanced trader and if you have enough money and you want to get in a little bit early, you can. But look at this, guys. The buyers came into the market from early, right? So you see your green transition candle, you see your green arrow, your green EMA, green bars. Can you see this, guys? The green EMA down here, right? The green EMA started to change down here, which means it was oversold. Then you have your green volume bar that determines how much buyers are coming into the market, right? What is the minimum amount to get in? As in, what's the minimum amount? What do you mean? Or do you mean the amount of colors? So are you talking about the matching? If it's so, you have to make sure that all of them are matching up, guys, before you get into the trade. What's the yellow? Oh yes. And next thing, guys, this yellow box right here, you don't trade this box, right? This yellow box, you do not trade this. This box is a no-go trade zone, guys. You either trade below or above, right? So below for a buy, coming up, and above going down for a sell. So this trade right here, this box right here, you never trade in this box right here, right? Because if you trade in this box, guys, the market can turn around on you. So that's one thing Doc Spills does teach on. So he said, do not trade in this yellow box right here. You trade above or below. So what's the minimum amount in your trading account? So it depends on you. It depends. Just know your lot size that you're trading with. Whichever period that you're going with, make sure that you have enough money to trade whatever pair for indices you're gonna need the minimum 5 to 1,000. It depends on how people trade, or depends on your broker. Some brokers, they do take different lot size, I should say. What is the setup for the indicators? So yes, for the indicators, this is what you're looking for a buy. Like I was saying before, you're looking for green outline on the yellow candles, or it can be on the red candles as well, right? You're looking for green arrow and green triangle. You're looking for a box. So the box was here before and you saw the box disappeared, right? You're looking for a green box. You're looking for green bars. You're looking for green EMA from the bottom, right? And you're looking for green volume bar. That's for a buy. For a sell, let me show you right here. For a sell, look at this, guys. For a sell, this is what you're looking for. You would be looking for a red box, right? You're looking for a red box. You're looking for a red arrow, a red triangle. You're looking for a red EMA, red candle. You're looking for red bars. You're looking for a next red EMA line right here. And you're looking for red volume bars for a sell. So if there's no box, guys, you're not taking no trade, right? So 100 would be 0.01. And yes, Keisha, is it Keisha? Yes, that's correct. So let's see what's happening right now with US. Oh yes, Let's go over here. All right. Can't get Dr. Spill remix out my head. Okay. When is the best time to trade colors? You can trade colors from Monday to Friday, guys. 24 hours. So from Monday to Friday, 24 hours you can trade. You can literally use colors, guys. It's available on there 24/7 as long as you log in. So look at this, guys. This is USD CHF, right? Now, there's a red box here. There's a green box here, right? Look at this, guys. Let me show you all something. So this was up for a buy. So look at this. We have a red triangle. We have a green asterisk. So the asterisk means liquidity, right? So if you press on details, you will see what it means, right? The asterisk means liquidity, right? You have the green EMA, you have the yellow candle with the green outline, you have green bars, you have green you had a green EMA right here. So this market didn't drop, it was moving sideways and then it turned around, right? So if all of these confirm, guys, you can still get in for a buy even though the EMA is floating above the yellow box and you had some buyers coming in with the green bars, right? So can you see what happened? This confirm a buy, guys, and you will literally take the trade from here, come all the way up. So underneath right here, let me show you guys, would have been your stop loss. So right here, right underneath the green box would have been your stop loss, guys, right? Because remember the trade is leaving from here. And look, this is your TP1. Can you guys see the line? This is on a 1 minute time frame, guys. 1 minute. Drop yes in the chat if you can see your TP1. So as soon as this hits your TP1, guys, you're out of the trade. As soon as this hits your TP1, that's your profit, right? That is your profit right there. Now, can you see what's happening? This market is dropping, but this is in the middle of the middle of the trade. It's not hit our red box yet, right? Unless there's a red box that appears right. Oh, listen, people who better get me and go live, you know. Jesus of mercy. Oh, listen, tap goated in the chat. I was just about to say, if you guys see a red box, I'm done. I'm finished. No, sir, the call done, people. The call is finished. The call is finished. Listen, I was just about to say, if you guys see a red box, you take the sell. But if it's already gone, right? If it's already even the rooster agreed with what I said. So look at this, guys. If the EMA if it's already left, guys, right? Because you can see the EMA literally tanked right there because the sellers are coming in, right? Then you would have just missed that trade, right? As you can see, a little bit of buyers are coming in right here to retest this area. If we still get more confirmation, we're going in for a sell, guys, on USD CHF. So we still have a red box, we have a red arrow, right? We have some red transition candle right here. We're waiting for this EMA to turn red, right? Everything else down here is red. Everything else down here. So this is on a 1 minute time frame, guys, and you can drop down you can drop down your time frame to a higher time frame to see who is in control, right? So if we go to the 4 hour, right, you can literally see, whoops, you can literally see who is in control. Hold on a second, guys. It's just loading a bit, guys. Hold on a second. All right. So as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, the sellers are in control. It's very, very choppy, but the sellers are in control, guys. Right? So if we drop down to the 1 minute again, right? Okay. Look what happened. The box disappeared. So can you see what's happening right here? Oh, it's literally, so the smaller one disappeared, right? And it's now the buyers are in control. A little bit is coming up to retest this TP1 again, right? Nina asked, where do you enter the trade on, where do you enter the trade on MetaTrader 4? Hold on a second, guys. So on MetaTrader 4, you would look for, make sure you look for your, hold on a second. So on MetaTrader 4, guys, make sure that you look for the pair, and on colors, it would indicate when you should go into the trade. Hold on, guys. Bear with me a second. My Wi-Fi is very, very slow, guys. Remember, say Jamaica me then, so the Wi-Fi is not strong as the one that is in England. Hold on a second, guys. So it does cut out in and out when it's ready. All right. Bear with me. Just taking its time and it's loading. All right. Let me see. Let me see. I see the mosquito, see? Hold on. All right. Let's do this. All right, guys. Let me know if you can see my screen, guys. Okay. So we need to find back. It was USD CHF. Hold on a second. So USD. So there was a next thing, guys. You can type in whatever pair that you like trading. Hold on a second. So USD CHF. Hold on a second. So it was on a 1 minute time frame. So M1. All right. So let me see. Let me just bring up the chat box, guys. If you do have any questions, feel free to drop in the chat box, guys. I'll answer as I go. And we're gonna jump into some live trades as well, guys. We're gonna be taking some live trades as well. Hold on a second, guys. Just taking its time. All right. Yes. So everybody, the messages are just coming in, so everybody can see. Hold on. So if you have any question, guys, I was trying to find back USD CHF, and I don't know what happened there. USD CHF, because that was getting ready for a sell. So guys, here's the next thing while that is loading. So here's the next thing. If you're in a trade, right, because it did happen to us with silver last night. If you're in a trade, right, and it does pull back to the red box, right? If you're in a trade and it does pull back to the red box, unless the red box disappears, that's when you would exit the trade, right? If you're going in for a sell, and it would be the vice versa for buy, right? So if you're in a buy and the market does reverse for a sell, and the green box disappears, you're going in. You're gonna exit the trade, right? So does this give the same signal for platforms such as um, Vi Pocket Option? Yes. So you can use your HFX on this, guys. So on the 1 minute scalper, you can seriously. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what's happening, but you know this is Jamaica the extra. Yes. So if you can use this for HFX, guys, because I've been using it for HFX as well. I've been trying it on a 1 minute time frame. You can move it up to two minutes on your HFX broker, but you can scalp the 1 minute from colors as well, right? So hold on a second. What is the best time frame to use for scalping? I would say the 1 minute, guys. I do scalp since I get started. Since I got started, I literally scalp 100 pounds to 1,000 pounds on Friday, right? And that was my biggest day with colors. I've not done that with anything else, guys, apart from colors. Listen, I was shocked. So I'm telling you guys, it does work. It does work. So 100 pounds to 1,000 and 1,245 last Friday. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do this week, right? So I've been focusing on teaching the team how to use it because I already see the results. So I'm literally sharing the result with other people. Your lot size, my lot size big. Um, Most of them I was using 0.50. I was using one lot size now and then. But I was mixing them up to see what would work for me. But yes, guys, it does work. So as you can see on why has it gone back to CAD CHF? It was USD CHF we were on. Or was it CAD, guys? All right, let me see. It was USD CHF. So let's find it over here. All right, hold on a second. Let's find it because that one is turning around right now. So let's see which other one. So the colors on the panel, guys, right? The colors on the panel, you can use them as form of confirmation as well. So right here, you have your currency strength meter, right? So right now, AUD is stronger than USD, right? AUD is stronger than USD, right? So for the normal currency pairs, your you do have your currency strength meter, and for indices, you don't have any currency strength meter. So let's look at gold, guys. That silver, I should say, not gold. So we were looking at silver last night. So let's see what silver is saying. All right. So silver has been in a downtrend. All right. So silver, where is silver, guys? Let me know. Where is silver right now? So silver did drop down a bit. All right, so we're getting some extra confirmation. So do remember, guys, you're only taking trades from the box, right? You're only taking trades from the box. So right here, across the board, you're still in the body of you're still in the brain of the red box, right? We call it the brain, right? All right, so let's see. So it's preparing for a sell, guys. So get yourself ready. If you're using a demo, you can use a demo, or if you want to use a live account, you can. So we are getting ready for a sell, and as you can see, we have the arrow, the triangle right here. As you can see, we have some green candle with some red outline, and we have our EMA line about to turn red, or as it turned red yet. All right, so we're waiting. It looks like it's gonna hit this TP right here. The buyers are in control, guys. The buyers are in control, so we're waiting. Do remember that the more buyers come in the market, the more this red box will disappear, right? So the buyers can come in and push this price all the way up and test this area, and this box might disappear. All right, so that means the candle need to be in the box. It doesn't have to be in the box, guys. So the candle can be below the box as well, or it can be on the box, or it's probably hanging out in the box or with the box, right? So as you can see, it's rejecting this area. We have a next candle with a red outline. So this is silver, guys. We're getting ready for a sell. We want everything to line up. As you can see, the EMA is turning red. Can you guys see this? The EMA is turning red. We want this to turn red. We want this other EMA to turn red, and we want to see some red volume bars, right? We want to see some red volume bars, guys. So we're waiting for our next arrow to come right here, because this literally pushed all the way back up to the red box. As you can see, it was already going down and it literally turned back on us, guys. So we're waiting for a bit. It's all about having a little bit of patience. Do remember that patience pays, guys. Patience pays. So we're waiting for a bit. All right. So some of the team were on last night when we took a silver buy, right? So we did take a silver buy last night. Some people woke up this morning and they saw bare blue. People literally made money last night to this morning. Yes, definitely. It's definitely taught you patience. Trust me. All right. So even though it's on the scalper, it's on the 1 minute, we're still waiting for a bit, because pairs like these, guys, they do move fast, right? They do move fast. Jeez! Ooh. Look at that, guys. Look at this. That candle came up from nowhere, Mr. Jesus. All right. So if you get a pullback, guys, if you get a pullback, right, you can jump in for a sell on silver. So we have everything lined up now, guys. We have everything lined up. We have everything lined up, guys, for a seller. We have the red box. We have the red triangle. We have the red EMA. Red candle. We have red bar. We have a red EMA again. And we have a red volume bar, meaning sellers are coming into the market. Right? Let me know when you're in. Do let me know when you're in on your MetaTrader 4. If you're not comfortable, guys, take it on your demo. If you're not comfortable, take it on your demo. All right, so we have sellers coming in. We have a little bit of buyers are trying to creep in right here. We're still staying in. Yes, market execution. Do you have to put in any numbers? You can jump in the trade now, but you'd have to put in the numbers right now. So your aim is, guys, is to go in the trade ASAP, and then you can put in your stop loss and your take profit after, right? Can you do this on? Yeah, it's for MT4, and you can do this on HFX as well, on binary. If you have silver on your broker, you can trade this on your HFX. All right, so let me know when you're in, guys, because this gave you a pullback right here. This gave you a pullback, so you can enter on the pullback, guys. Right? This gave you a pullback. There's still a red box, guys. There's still a red box. So we are staying in this trade. If you had entered early, that's fine. It's still gonna come back down, guys, because we have all the confirmations right here. Can you see this? green candle with the red outline is still gonna drop. It's testing this, it's retesting this. I'm finished. Listen, guys, if everybody should have been blue now, everybody should have been blue right now. That is your red candle, guys. That is your red candle, and this EMA is not even over the line yet. So we still have, there you go, the drop is coming, guys. 1 minute on your MetaTrader 4, guys. Drop down to the 1 minute and you will see how fast the candle is moving on the 1 minute. Drop down to the 1 minute on your MetaTrader 4 and you will see how fast the candles are moving. Right? It might go up and down, but do remember it's on a scalper for the 1 minute. So look at this drop, guys. It's not even, the EMA right here in the middle is not even, it's not even reached the yellow yet. And it's already behaving like this. Now, can you see a little bit of buyers, right? A little bit of buyers are coming in. That's fine. Everything else still match up. Can you see this red candle? So this close right here, right? This close right here. We're still waiting on a next drop. That's a candle we're looking for right there, guys. That's a candle we're looking. And there's your arrow, guys. There is your arrow. This is your arrow right here, guys. This is extra arrow. Extra arrow right here, guys. This is to indicate that this market is going to tank, right? This is to indicate that this market is going to tank. All right, so let's see what's happening right here. So once again, MT4 spreads of 6 has not moved when I enter early. So yes, guys, so it depends on your broker. Depends on your broker, hold on a second. Somebody is, hold on. Give me a second, guys. Somebody is so it depends on your broker, guys. Your spreads are gonna be massive, right? Depends on your broker. Let me just mute. Oh, do I mute again? Oh, yes. It depends on your broker. Hold on a second. Yes. So it depends on your broker, guys. Some people spreads are massive, right? So let's see what's happening right here, guys. So if you're in, is anybody in profit? Let me know. Is anybody in profit? It's saying SL red box and TP green box is invalid. Don't know why. All right. So what you would do, this would have been your TP, guys. So if this market was to still come down here, which it will because sellers are creeping into the market, your TP would be 28, right? Your TP would have been 28.12300. All right, so some people are saying not yet. We now have green arrows. Yes, so it indicates that buyers are creeping into the market, right? But we're still in for a seller, guys. You're not moving from a buy. You're not moving to a buy, right? It means that buyers are coming into the market, so we're still staying in. Why the mosquito, yes, man? So the TP, so as you can see, is retesting back this area, guys. Your TP would have been 28.123 for your TP. And your stop loss would have been 28.144. That would have been for your stop loss, guys. So these lines, guys, they represent your TP and your stop loss. So you can either have this as your stop loss or you can have this gray one. Woo, look at that candle. So the middle line just disappeared on us, right? The middle line just disappeared on us. So the buyers are coming into the market, guys. And as you can see, we have the arrow right there. All right, let's see if it's gonna hit our line right here, guys. Okay, reject off of that area. And reject off of that area right there. All right, hold on, guys, hold on. So let's see. So your stop loss. So this would have just hit our stop loss, but we can still put it, guys. 28 point, your stop loss 28.144 for your stop loss or above. You can put 28 or 28.145. Right, so as you can see, it's rejecting off of this area right here, right? So even though the buyers came into the market, guys, like I said, unless this box disappears, you're still in for a sell. You're not moving from a sell, right? Unless the box disappears, you're still you would exit the trade. But we still have a box and we're still trading from the box, right? All right, let's see. So our next arrow came right here. Our next arrow came, as you can see, it's literally playing from zone to zone, right? And then oh, thank you, Diane, right? So let's see what's gonna happen right here. We can put on this right here. All right, let's see something. So there you go, guys. Our box just disappeared. The buyers are coming in strong. Our box just disappeared. So let's see what's gonna happen. It just disappeared, guys. All right. So once it retests that box more than a few times, guys, it will disappear. And if the buyers are stronger than the sellers, it's gonna overcome and it's gonna disappear. Yes, so you can get out, guys. So unless the next red box comes up, we can stay in. But if not, oh, hold on a second, guys. There you go. It literally moved the box all the way up to the top, guys. So get out, guys. We're going in for a buy. We're going in for a buy, guys. We are going in for a buy. So we're not late. We're not late because it just start giving us the confirmation. So we're going in for a buy, guys. Yeah, exit the trade, guys. Exit the trade. It literally retests that area 8 times. So it retests that area 8 times, guys. Jeez. 8 times. So we're going in for a buy, guys, on silver. So enter now for that buy. Do let me know when you're in. Oh, my battery is dead. I can't even jump in. Do let me know when you're in for that buy, guys. So for the buy, you're looking for your green triangle, your green EMA, your green candle, right? We're a little bit above the green box, so we're still fine, right? You have your green bars, you have your green EMA right here, and you have volume coming in with buyers. Oh my God, look at that. Jeez. On your 1 minute time frame, guys, on your 1 minute time frame on your MetaTrader 4, you would have seen this candle shot all the way up. And then you had your green arrow right here, guys. Right? So even though this green arrow came up while the red box was still there, we couldn't determine whether or not to go in for a buy yet. Because once that box is there, once that box is there, right? It could have literally, we could have gone in for a buy here from here, and it could have hit the red box and literally turn around on us for a sell, right? So this is why normally we wait. So your stop loss now would have been 28.130 for your stop loss, guys. And you can move it in profit when you're ready. And your TP1 guys is 28.17400. Your stop loss is 28.13100 for your stop loss, and your take profit is 28.17400. Let me know if you got that, guys. Oops. So this is your TP1 right here. So this is TP1. Let me know if anybody is in profit. This would have been your TP2, guys. For TP2, it's 28.1900 for TP2. This is TP2. All right, I see some people saying they're in profit. Sarah Jane is in profit. Vibrant, oh, stop loss and take profit. Oh, I just said that in it. If somebody could write it in for me, your stop loss is 28.131. Oh, you got it before. Yes. So your stop loss is 28.13100. Your take profit one is 28.17400. So TP1, and your TP2 is 28.1900. Right? So you're staying into that trade, guys, until it hits the red box, right? Or if it hits your TP1 and you're comfortable, take your profits. Do remember we're scalping, guys. Ricky said not yet. All right. So you're staying into the trade, guys. You're staying in. Do remember this is silver. If you don't have enough in your live account, do it on your demo account, guys. As you can see, the buyers are coming in strong. Right, the buyers are coming in strong. It might pull back a bit, guys, but do not panic. Do remember this is indices, right? It's indices, so it might pull back a little bit and then it will shoot up, right? Anybody else in profit? Anybody else in profit? So the sellers are trying to come in a little bit, as you can see on this red outline candle right here. The sellers are trying to come in, but it's not strong enough for the buyers, right? It's not strong enough for the buyers. All right, Angela said not yet. Using binary, okay, not yet. All right, there is good volume. Yes, when the volume is too high, the buyers will outplay the sellers, guys. All right, so not yet. Spread is too big, not yet. Okay. Yes, guys, the spreads on indices is crazy. On IC market and on KOT, the spreads are massive. I don't know why I think they do that for thief people money, you know. I think so. I think they do that to literally steal people money. But now we have colors to literally tell us, listen, stay in that trade, right? Stay in that trade, because we have multiple confirmations to let us know that, listen, this market is going to go up, right? So as again, so this was where the sellers was trying to come in a little bit, right? But can you see this candle right here? It's literally heading to TP1. Right, so some people might hit TP1 before some, or some might not be in profit yet because of your spread, right? I know some people brokers are different. Let's see. We want this to hit TP1 and TP2 up to the red box before we come off of here, guys. So this silver has been moving sideways for a while. Can you see this, guys? So it had no choice, right? It literally, because this was where our red box was, and it was rejecting off of the red box right here, right? And then it turned around on us when the sellers was in control. Now the buyers came in control, right? So somebody said, Beverly said it TP1. Okay, we have a little bit of pullback, guys. A little bit of pullback. Let's see what's gonna happen. So the sellers are coming in a little bit, right? The sellers are coming in a little bit. We're still in, guys. We're still in. Unless we have all confirmations for a sell, we're still staying into the buy, guys. Right? Unless we have all confirmations for red, we're still staying into this buy. So can you see how a lot of people would have get tricked right here? Because they would have seen this red outline, they would have seen this red bar and this red EMA right here and this red little candle, and they would have jumped out of the trade and missed the move up, right? And I used to be that trader, guys, especially with indices, right? I used to be that trader when I was literally panicking, right? So this is why sometimes it's good to practice on demo. When you get more comfortable, then you can go on your live. Um, okay, if you can still get in, it would be late because if you were to get in, you would have to get in from right here. If you were to get in for a buy, right? So it looks like a yellow transition candle is trying to come up now, guys, but it's fighting. It's literally fighting right here. This candle doesn't know what to do. We have 8 seconds left on this candle right here, guys. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see. So the buyers and the sellers are literally fighting. Oh, you mean on the Zoom? Yeah, you can. Yes. Yeah, you can come back on the Zoom, guys. Right? So we're still in, guys. The sellers are trying to come in a little bit, but we're still staying into the trade. We haven't got enough confirmation for a sell, even though you have the sellers showing up in volume right here. We still have this red EMA. We still have a little bit of red bars right here. We don't have a red arrow or a red triangle or a red box right here. We're still in, right? We're still in. We want this to hit TP1 before we come off of here, right? We still want this to hit TP1. Oh, and the next thing, guys, so this EMA line right here, as you can see, it does act as a form of direction, right? So when it's for a sell, you will see the EMA over the candles. And when it's for a buy, you will see it under the candles. So it's similar to DCX with this line, right? So it's similar to DCX with the EMA line, where it says if it's over, you're going in for a sell, or if it's under, you're going in for a buy. It's the same thing with this EMA. So it moves with direction, guys. It moves with direction. So let's see what's happening right here. So it's rejecting off of the 28.1654. It's rejecting off of this area. and we have the sellers are in control for a bit. Let's see what's happening on the 30 minutes time frame. So on the higher time frame, guys, if you see buyers are in control, right, it means that it will go up at some point. So let's see. So can you guys see this? Buyers are in control on the 30 minutes, right? Buyers are in control on the 30 minutes. The sellers are trying to come in, but the buyers are not having it, right? So if I zoom this out, you can see what's happening. So it's at a red box, right? It's at a red box on our higher time frame, but the buyers are still in control right here. Here's a green box, right? The buyers are in control on the 30 minutes, right? And then if I drop back down to the 1 minute, the sellers are in control a little bit. But can you guys see this candle? Absolutely insane. Oops. Can you guys see this candle? Drop a number 1 in the chat if you can see this candle. Right? So the buyers are trying to come back in and take over. So if you had got in from when I said to get in, guys, you would still be in profit, or some would almost be in profit. But look at that candle, guys. It's about to hit TP1. Look at this. The buyers are coming back into the market. Woo! The buyers are back in, guys. The buyers are back in to take over. We are still above this yellow box right here, right? We're still above. Anything can happen, guys. Anything can happen with this line right here. Once this line doesn't drop, we're still in for a buy, guys. We're still in for a buy. It's pulling back a little bit. The sellers are trying to bring down the price, but the buyers are not having it, right? We want our TP1 before we come off of this call. Please and thanks, Silver. Who is still in profit? Let me know if you're in profit, guys. Let me know if you're in profit. All right, let's see. We have an arrow right here, right on our TP1. The arrow came up. So let's see. We're still in, guys, still in. So unless the red box come up, guys, we are not exiting, right? As you can see, buyers are still in control. All you have to do, guys, is line up the colors. That's all you have to do. Line up the colors and take the trade, right? Line up the colors and take the trade. If they're not lined up, you don't take the trade. If you don't see no box, no trade, right? No box, no trade. And if the colors don't line up, you're not taking the trade. Move on to the next, or wait for the momentum to pick up in the market before you jump into those trades. Can you see our arrow just disappeared? Our arrow disappeared and we have a yellow transition candle with a red outline, but we're still in, guys. The market is moving sideways. So with the scalper, guys, do remember to secure profits, right? When you're doing the scalper, and this is what I've been learning from, I literally learned from myself, guys. Do secure profits. So say for example, if you're in this trade right now and if you're super blue and you feel like you want to take some profits, take some, or close the trade altogether, right? If you feel like you see enough money, right? Because guys, do remember, any money is money, right? Because our bank ain't giving us an extra 50p or an extra £10 or $10 per day. So if you see profits, take it, right? So can you see this? The market is moving sideways. It's struggling to hit our TP1. but we are still in. Can you see what's happening, guys? The buyers are still in this market. The buyers are still in this market. Look at that. All right. Did anybody hit their TP1? Because I know the spread is different. The spread is, it might hit it on your broker, but not on here. So do let me know if you've hit your not yet. Anybody secure profits or anybody close their trades? Let's see what's happening. So you see how it works, guys. All right. So if you were to literally enter from here, right? If you were to enter from here, you would be in profit all the way up, but it depends on your broker. All right, so we have a red triangle right here, guys. We have a red EMA, we have a red box, we have a red EMA again, and we have a red volume bar. We don't have any box yet, right? We don't have any box yet, guys. The box is all the way up here, right? Unless, whoops, on KOT Forex, so not yet. Okay, yeah, KOT Forex spreads is really big, really big. We wish we could have found a broker which that doesn't have such a big spread. But look what's happening, guys. Unless these candles come up here, I would still stay in this trade, right? So it might pull back a little bit, guys. It might pull back a little bit, but you're still staying in the trade, right? If you're using this on your demo, that's great. If you're still using this on your demo, that's great, guys. Right? So at least you could see what is happening. But can you see the green outline start to come back? Right? The green outline starts to come back. So this is in the middle of the trade, guys. In the middle of the boxes. We're not trading in the middle, right? It's either from box to box. We're not trading in this middle. So even if this says sell, we're not selling because it's not in this box or it's not above, a little bit underneath this box right here. So the market decides to start moving sideways. So eventually the market will go up, guys. Yes, definitely no box, no trade. All right, so this one is a bit slow tonight. Well, it did this to us last night, guys, while we were doing it. But people were still in profit and people woke up to money this morning. So if you want to keep this on your demo, guys, you can. If your account is strong enough to keep it for your live, then you feel free to keep it. If it hits your stop loss, check back colors and go back in for the buy, guys, if it hits your stop loss. But this market is gonna go up soon, trust me. It did this to us last night when we think it literally pulled back on our close to our stop loss, and then it just took off. I said, Jesus, look at this. Oh gosh. So learn about spreads on these calls. Okay, yes, definitely. So the market decided to move sideways on us, guys, but you can monitor it on your colors, or we'll update you on the on Discord, guys. If you're in Discord group, if you're a guest on this call, get back to the person who put you onto this call. If you're not in yet, I would say 100% get in, get the elite package, right? And get in and start making some money. So the market might seem a bit slow right now, guys, because it's what time? Oops, there you go. A red box appears, guys. A red box appears. Red box appears. So this is where the previous red box was. Can you guys see this? This was where the previous red box was. And it came back. It literally came back. So if you want, guys, because do remember it's a 1 minute trade, guys. If you wanted to keep it same way, and when the market goes down it comes back up, you can. If it hits your stop loss, when it comes down to the green box and you get all of these arrows, take back the market up, guys. Take it back up for a buy. But that's our red box, guys. So we have a red box, we have a red line, we had our triangle right here, right? And we have a red candle, red bar, we have a red line, and we have some red volume bars. Oh, listen, if I turn on this light, you will see bats, birds, and lizards crawling all over the place. Trust me. You guys can't see me. Oh gosh. If I turn on the lights, trust me, you're gonna see bats and all sorts of creature out here with me. Trust me. Oh, look at that. Look at that right there. Jeez. Look at that drop. So the sellers are coming in slowly. But can you see the rejection, guys? Can you see the rejection on the stop? This would have been our stop loss. But can you see this, guys? So here what happened, guys. If the buyers are too strong, the box will disappear again. Can you see what's happening right here, guys? Can you guys see this arrow? Right? Can you guys see this arrow right here? It's rejecting off of this new level right here. So this is above our stop loss. Right? It's rejecting off of this level right here. So can you see how the lines appear automatically? It's just like the boxes, guys. It appears automatically, disappears automatically. So it just created a new level right here, and look what's gonna happen. It only has two choices now, either to move all the way up or continue dropping, but it's rejecting off of this level right here. Right? It's rejecting. Let's see if it's gonna break this level. So on the 1 minute, guys, I normally, if the market turns, if I was in a buy, right, and the market does turn around on me, sometimes I normally stay in the trade, because the market can reach halfway and literally just turn around, right? The market can come down right here and literally turn around, and you're gonna see what this candle would do. Right, we have 19 seconds left. Right, we have 11 seconds left. It looks like it's respecting this area right here. Ooh, this would have hit our stop loss, guys. Literally with this area. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Our line disappeared from there, right? You can hear the crickets, I know. So let's see what's gonna happen. So it hit your stop loss, all right? So when you're doing this on your own, guys, you can literally analyze this on your own. Ooh, look at that candle, Jesus. You can literally analyze this on your own, guys. And if you study one pair, right? If you study one pair, look at this candle. Wow. You can literally analyze this pair, guys, and you can, what is happening? These sellers plan for it tonight. No, they literally plan for us tonight. Like silver is doing some madness. But look at this, guys. If you were to in profit on a sell, okay, so you took the sell down. So look, guys, you can literally buy the market up, right? Buy the market up and sell the market down. And you can literally do this on a 1 minute time frame. Buy up, sell down, buy up, sell down. And can you see what's happening right here? So it's been planning for a sell for a while, and it literally just tanked on us, right? I saw people hit stop loss and take profit. Um, meanwhile, mine has not moved from the entry. Oh, oh my God! Can you see the reverse, guys? Can you see the buyers coming back in? Can you see what's happening? Look at this. So can you see, guys? It's now oversold on the 1 minute, right? It's now oversold, and the buyers are coming back in, right? So with myself, because I know I'm on the 1 minute and it moves so fast, I would normally stay in. I would, I don't advise this, right? But normally when I'm scalping, it's more like quick money, so I don't put my stop loss there all the time. So for me now, I would have literally stayed in the trade and wait for it to hit that green box and literally turn around and wait for the buyers to come back in. And look what happened right here on this candle. The buyers came back in, right? The buyers came back in and they're trying to push this price up. And our box disappeared. Our box just disappeared. All right, I'm on MT4, it buy. Right when you said it never went blue, what do you recommend as broker for colors? I don't recommend brokers, guys, because I'm trying to find a good broker right now. I know, well, KOT, they, with indices, guys, I don't even know which broker is good for indices, but I use IC market for mine, but their own, you have to have a certain amount of money in in IC market to take indices, right? KOT, I know they do allow 0.01, so it depends on the brokers, guys. KOT trade all the pairs on the weekend for crypto, yes. So it looks like we're in a sellers. The sellers are coming into silver now, guys. So it was buying up for a short while. What we'll be waiting for is for a green box to come back here. We'll be waiting for a green box to come back right here. Well, let's see. Oh, it's not available in the US. Okay. Oh. All right. So we see a little bit of buyers trying to creep in. We're waiting for this to turn green, guys, and we're waiting for a green box. So we're waiting for a green box, and we're waiting for, oops, so there you go, some green volume. They're coming in slowly. So can you see, guys? So the green box will appear soon. The green box will appear soon, guys. So if you were on your demo and you stayed in, you're gonna see how it literally surpassed your previous entry point, right? So it's now moving sideways right here. So the buyers are fighting at the moment with the sellers. But what I will do, guys, I will update you on this trade. If you're still in, you can literally monitor it on your demo account, or if your live account is strong enough, then you can still stay in, because it's gonna go back up, guys. We are already oversold on the 1 minute, and as you can see, the red transition candle is appearing, The volume for the buyers are getting stronger. So we have 3 confirmations already for buyers. We're waiting for the red box and we're waiting for some green arrows. Let's see. Mine it's stop loss. Okay, yours it's stop loss. So once the box appears, guys, you can re-enter. Once the box appears, as you can see, is rejecting this area right here. Right? It's rejecting this area right here. Right? So if the green box appears with the arrows, you can re-enter again, guys. Whoops. That's the buyers. So look what's happening, guys. Look at the volume. Can you guys see the volume? This has changed to green, right? So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 confirmations so far. With buyers are coming into the market. So this is how quick it moves, guys, with colors. It's very quick if you're scalping. You're literally going in and out with couple pips, right? You're going in and out with a few pips, right? So it's not trades for you to, it's not swing trading. You're literally going in. As soon as you see any form of profits, you take it, and then if you want to re-enter, you can. If it hits your stop loss, you can re-enter again, guys. All right, so it's back right there. We have a next arrow. Next level is created, a next level right there. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. So I can't see any sellers coming in yet with the volume, right? So guys, do remember that these candles, they do change. So 1 minute you might see this as red, and the next minute it turns to green, right? Especially if it's wicking, right? If it's doing a wick, it will change. MT4 spreads is so big. Yeah, it's very big, guys. Very big. All right, so let's see. Let me stop record.